Alright, so I know what you're probably thinking. Why is this kid wearing a R.I.P. Harambe shirt? Isn't that a dead meme? Well, the answer to that is mind your own goddamn business, because we're not talking about that. We're going to be talking about Greg O'Gallagher, who the hell this guy is, and how he just made a boatload of cash. So Greg O'Gallagher, if you guys have not known or seen his ads, he's like this lean, chiseled dude who just talks about his lean, chiseled physique and sells fitness courses for like $40 to $60 a pop. He just made a lot of money being able to leverage an email list in his personal brand based on a product that's not even fitness related at all. And we're gonna go into this email right now. It's for these Kino glasses. Now, I've been seeing Tai Lopez work with people doing these glasses as well. But essentially, they're anti-blue glasses. They block out digital light. They're supposed to help you sleep at night better. Selling it for, was $100, but only $69. Now, when I first saw these, I was like, there's no way in hell these glasses cost $100 or people are buying them for $70. And I checked the email that I got from Greg. He sat back and watched thousands of people buy these glasses. Thousands, he said, okay? So, we'll do some quick math. Actually, before we do the quick math, let's source these glasses. Good old Alibaba right here, our best friend. We'll do anti-blue light reading glasses. Okay, I don't doubt they're even reading glasses. So here we have $1.20 to $2 a piece, $1.70, $2. Okay, so it's kind of got a theme. It looks like about maybe after shipping, after getting it sourced with the case, let's say $5 a piece, okay? And actually that's not unrealistic because I bought one piece by itself for $6 with the case. So let's say $5 is his sourcing fee, okay? So, boom, he sold thousands of them. Let's do some quick math with the good old calculator, right? Okay, so thousands, what number should we should probably use, let's just say 3,000. Let's say 3,000 qualifies as thousands, okay? So this dude sold 3,000 glasses, probably even more, for $69 a pop. So 3,000 times 69, $207,000 in sales. Okay, his sourcing, 3,000, let's say was $5, okay? And you know what, let's say, let's just say an additional $5 and whatnot for shipping and maybe customization and whatnot. So we'll times 2 that, boom. So 30,000. So that means $207,000 minus 30K. So good old Greg O'Gallagher made $177,000 within a span of like 2 or 3 days. So crazy, because this isn't even a product that's even related to what he does. This is just the power of an email list and personal brand. Now keep in mind this is just a ballpark number, but this could be a number that he did cash out on within the span a couple of days. So if you guys want to look into this product right now, I know like I said, Tai Lopez is doing something similar. I believe it's becoming more of a big trend right now, but the ROI is absolutely just, it's just dumb. It's just because people have a higher perceived value. The whole reason why we could charge this much for $69 for a pair of glasses that cost $5 is because of what it does for you, okay? I mean, look at this landing page. I mean, it just says that, you know, it just boosts your energy, it blocks out bad light for you, it makes you healthier. So if $69 can increase someone's health, then they'll take that within an instant. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the other videos. Take care.